Hey everyone, I'm going to start my video. So the primary focus of this video explained how to solve problems in a workplace setting using 4 basic steps. The video itself was educational in the respect that it actively engaged the members of the seminar and made the problem solving process look enjoyable. It was described in the video that thinking about your problem in a creative way can help with finding solutions. I will be reviewing the 4 basic steps that were explained in the video and discuss how these steps work in a problem-solving situation. The 4 basic steps to problem solving are fact-finding, idea-finding, solution-finding, and action. The first step, fact-finding, consists of thinking about the problem and getting all the facts that are associated with the problem at hand. This can look like making a list that highlights what you know about the problem already, and then also what you still need to figure out about the problem. The next step, idea finding, consists of thinking about all the possible ideas that might work to solve the problem. The presenter explained that the idea finding step can have ethical ideas along with unethical, moral, and immoral ideas, as those ideas may have a gateway to an idea that develops into a really good solution. In this process, it was highlighted that no idea was a bad idea. This meant that the group members were able to throw out all ideas as they came into their heads. The third step, solution finding, was explained as looking at all the ideas that were written down and deciding on the best solution. It was also encouraged to look at all of these ideas and see how they could fit into a long-term or a short-term solution, or both. The fourth step, action, was described as thinking about how to get the people involved in the workplace and yourself to put the solution into action. How do we get the people of the workplace to listen to our solution regarding the problem, and what does that look like? Once that part of the step of action is looked at, it is now time to examine the criteria that is needed to effectively implement the solution. Criteria, which was provided and explained in the video, consists of objective or goal, how it affects people, the cost, equipment and materials needed, time that it might take to implement, your values and your beliefs, and productivity. Groups were then asked to pick 4 of the criteria topics and measure them against their solutions. Once that was completed, the solutions were evaluated with the questions: who's going to do what, and by when? This helped the groups narrow down the appropriate solutions that fit into their criteria for effectiveness. Overall, this video was very informative and gave helpful tips and strategies in solving problems creatively. With the video having been developed in 1998, the processes and layout are still relevant today. I really enjoyed the playfulness of the presenter and how she made the seminar a fun activity, and also provided solution-based information to the members of the seminar. One thing that I would have liked to seen is more explanation on how the other groups' problems were kind of thought of and rolled out with those solutions at the end with the action. I also would have liked to see more of a broader, problems with some, just effective communication, things like that in the office. But overall, it was a really informative video. Thank you.